Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to create a galaxy explosion behind a model. Place a galaxy background behind the subject. Use gradient map to color blend purple and pink hues. Now add star brushes around the model for spaces particles. Then apply outer glow to make them shine. Paint explosion effect with a soft orange brush. Set blend mode to screen for glowing energy. Now add a smoke or dust overlays for atmosphere. Enhance the model lighting using curves and highlights. Add flares and sparkles near the explosion center. Use color lookup for cinematic harmony. Add final contrast. Adjust